What's up guys, it's Alexander here, and today I'm gonna be showing you a quick tutorial on what defenses you should upgrade first. So let's get started. The first two things you want to upgrade is the splash defenses, and that is the mortar and wizard towers. And you should do that because they deal a lot amount of damage on several troops. So yeah, they are really good to upgrade first. And you should at least upgrade them to level 6 or level 7, but that depends on what town hall level you have. If you don't have level 9 town hall or 10, well, you should upgrade your mortars and wizard towers to level 5. Yeah, and the next two things you want to upgrade is the inferno towers and expos, and that's because they deal a lot of damage too, and they are really strong, and just look how cool they is. They're just so cool. So that would be the next thing to upgrade. But if you don't have town hall level 9 or 10, don't worry, you should keep this guide because when you do, this is a really great idea. Alright, so the next two things you want to upgrade is the cannon and the archer towers, and that's because in high levels they are really great and they deal a lot of damage on troops. And yes, so that would be the next two things to do, because archer towers can take down both air and ground, and cannons are just really strong. And that's the same with the expos and inferno towers and splash defenses. That includes mortar and wizard towers. They all, except for the mortar, they all target both air and ground. So yeah. Alright, so the next two things you want to upgrade is the Tesla tower and air defense. And that's because air defense is they can only attack air targets, and Tesla towers are just, yeah, they're great, but not that great. They're only really great at Pegas, but then they're just okay. They don't deal so much amount of damage, unlike the inferno towers or expos. They deal a lot of damage, or wizard towers. And also be sure to upgrade your wall over time, because that should probably help you not to get raided so easily. Yeah, so the walls are important too. Yeah, and a good example is, for example, if you're upgrading 4 things and you have 5 builders at all, and you are upgrading 4 things, you should definitely keep the last builder to upgrade, for example, walls or trees and bushes and stuff like that, so you always have 1 builder left, because you don't wanna fill up your storages. And well, you can upgrade your storages, but there's nothing to upgrade if all your builders are tied up. So yeah, and one last thing is that you should maximum upgrade 2 defenses at a time, because your village are more easily to take down when you upgrade your defenses. So yeah, maximum is 2 defenses at a time. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial on what to upgrade first, and if you liked it, please leave a comment and share these videos with your friends. And I will be back soon. You can leave any suggestions on what I should give a tutorial on, and I would do my best. Alright, see you soon.